Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. In this series about basics of astrology, we are going to talk about Lagna or Ascendant. For those of you who have been watching astrology videos and trying to see what is the meaning of Lagna or what is the meaning of Ascendant and where I can find it in my Patrika, this video is for you. Ascendant or Lagna is the first house in your horoscope. For example, if you open your horoscope received by any software or made by any astrologer, then if you visualize a clock or a watch in front of you, the position where it is 12 o'clock, and that corresponds to first house of your horoscope. And this first house is known as Lagna house or ascendant, and it is usually denoted by a sign in your printed horoscope. So whatever the sign that you see is your ascendant. For example, it could be Libra, it could be Sagittarius, or it could be Aries. What does that mean? In practical language, it means the moment you were born, this sign, for example Libra, Sagittarius or Aries, it was rising on the east horizon. That's all. What does that define? It defines your physical body. It defines in a way the purpose of why you are born, what is going to be purpose of your life to some extent, what kind of work you will be doing. It also expresses dignity of your mother and so on. There are so many significations of this first house. What is important? When you open your Patrika, look at the word that says Lagna or Ascendant. Notice the degrees, notice the sign, notice the nakshatra, and also list all the planets, other planets in your horoscope. For example, you have Libra ascendant, you may have a planet placed near that ascendant or in the first house, or that first house or Lagna house could be empty with no other planets. Still, notice the degrees and the sign, and also mark the degrees of other planets in your horoscope. For example, somebody has a ascendant in Libra at say certain degrees. Then close to those degrees, look at what are other planets placed in your horoscope. For example, I have Sun in Magha at say 1 or 2 degrees of Leo, and that is my ascendant. Then I will look at other planets with the degrees close to say 2, 3 of any other sign. If someone has many planets in a closer degrees to that Lagna, then those planets are known as strong planets. It means they are going to work in unison with or work together with the Lagna to help you carry out the purpose of birth. And depending on where those planets are placed, which houses those planets are placed, whether they are benefic for you or malefic for you, the outcome will change. Still, Lagna or ascendant is one of the important factors. Lagna or ascendant, then your moon, nakshatra of moon, and then we see sun and nakshatra of sun. And whatever I mentioned has degree, has rashi and has nakshatra attached to it, and all of them together become very important for the native. So can someone have moon and ascendant in the same house? Yes. Your moon could be in the first house of horoscope and it could be very close to Lagna. The degree of moon can be very close to your degree of Lagna, or they could be little different from Lagna. Each horoscope house corresponds to 30 degrees, and we have a circle of 360 degrees divided into 12 signs. So your planets could be placed in the same sign. For example, Libra sign could have 3 planets when you were born. They could be very close to each other in degrees, or they could be separated. I'm going to give you 3 examples for which the ascendant for the first example is Scorpio. The ascendant for next example is Sagittarius. So if you are watching this video and you have your horoscope made, I want you to comment with the Lagna degrees, or you can comment with the sign of that Lagna. What Lagna do you have? What ascendant do you have? Is it Libra? Is it Scorpio? Is it Cancer? Please comment. And if you want to know what is your Lagna or ascendant, write an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Please like, comment and share this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Namaste. Shubham Bhavatu. Dhanyavad.